A very good morning to all of you. I am Anshul Sharma, your biology teacher, and in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss yet another concept of genetics that is called linkage. The linkage word is coming from the word link, and link means association between two things. So, here we are going to discuss a concept where something is linked with another thing. You know, in 1902, there was two scientists. The name was Sutton and Boveri. They gives us the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and according to the chromosomal theory of inheritance, the genes are present on chromosomes. The genes are present on chromosome. Now, utilizing this knowledge, if you try to know how many characters are present in an organism, so you will find an organism have thousands of characters. That means the all living organism has a large number of genes are there in every organism, and if you compare the number of genes with the number of chromosomes, so you will find the number of gene in an organism is always higher or is much more in comparison to the number of chromosomes. That means the genes are present on the chromosomes. genes की संख्या बहुत ज़्यादा है, chromosomes की संख्या बहुत कम है. That means many genes are present on one chromosome. एक ही क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर एक से ज़्यादा जीन प्रेजेंट होती हैं. फॉर सपोज ऑर्गेनिज्म इज हैविंग द 1000 genes and the number of chromosome is only 10, then you can easily calculate on each chromosome 100 genes are present averagely. Okay, so because the number of gene is very high and the number of chromosome is very low, that is why many genes are present on one chromosome, and these genes that are present on one chromosome, that means the genes present on one chromosome, they are called linked genes. इन्हीं को हम बोलते हैं linked genes. For example, there is a chromosome. Here you can see a chromosome, and on this chromosome, for suppose gene A, gene B, gene C and gene D, these four genes are present on this chromosome. Because these four genes A, B, C, D are present on same chromosome, so these four genes are the linked genes. They are linked with each other. Now go through the appropriate definition of the linked gene. The linked genes are those genes that are present on same chromosomes and inherited in the parental combination. Parental combination में inherited होते हैं. That means these genes will inherited in the same combination. जहाँ पे भी ये क्रोमोसोम जाएगा, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल सी, कैपिटल डी एक साथ वहाँ पे जाएंगे. दे विल नॉट सेपरेट, एंड दिस इज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ लिंक जीन दैट दे इनहेरिटेड टुगेदर, दे डू नॉट सेपरेट. लिंक जीन एक साथ इनहेरिटेड होते हैं, एक दूसरे से सेपरेट नहीं होते, एंड देयर दिस प्रॉपर्टी और दिस टेंडेंसी ऑफ द लिंक जीन इज कॉल्ड द लिंकेज. इनकी इसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम लिंकेज बोलते हैं. सो लिंकेज मीन्स लिंक. व्हाट आर लिंक? द जीन्स आर लिंक्ड टुगेदर विच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सेम chromosome, and wherever this chromosome goes, the genes are will also go there in the same combination. Now the question arise, जो जीन एक ही क्रोमोसोम के प्रेजेंट हैं, दैट मीन्स वो लिंक्ड हैं, क्या वो हमेशा एक साथ ही इनहेरिटेड होती हैं या फिर उनके सेपरेशन के भी चांसेस होते हैं? फॉर सपोज हम एक एग्जांपल लेके चलते हैं. देयर आर टू पेयर ऑफ जीन. द जीन फर्स्ट हैव द टू allele capital A and small a, and gene 2 have the two allele capital B and small b, and these two genes are linked gene. That means these two genes are present on the same chromosome. For these gene, if an organism is having the genotype like this, small a, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, that means if the genes are linked, so homologous chromosomes के ऊपर क्या कंडीशन होगी? यू कैन सी जिस पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे कैपिटल ए प्रेजेंट होगा, उसी पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे स्मॉल ए प्रेजेंट होगा. एंड सिमिलरली बिकॉज दीज जीन्स आर लिंक्ड, सो इसी क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर जिस पॉइंट पे कैपिटल बी प्रेजेंट होगा, उसी पॉइंट पे स्मॉल बी प्रेजेंट होगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन राइज, क्या इस केस में जब ये गैमीट बनाएगा ऑर्गेनिज्म, तो एक क्रोमोसोम एक गैमीट में चला जाएगा? capital A will inherit with capital B. You can see the parental combination retained, and small a will inherit with small b. So the parental combination retained in this gamete also, and this property is called the linkage. The genes present on the same chromosome, they inherit in the parental combination. But the question is, can the linked gene can be separated? Linked genes separate हो सकते हैं एक दूसरे से या नहीं? So answer is, there is a process that occurs during the meiosis that is called crossing over, and this crossing over may lead to the separation of linked gene. For suppose these two homologous chromosomes undergo crossing over. So here I represent how they are undergoing the crossing over. For suppose they undergo the crossing over, you know the crossing over is a process in which the homologous chromosome exchange their chromatids. So here is one chromosome, capital A and capital B. This is your first chromosome, this one, and small a and small b, this chromosome is your this chromosome. So if they undergoes crossing over, ये अपनी इस आर्म्स को exchange कर लेते हैं, तो as a result of crossing over, what kind of chromosome we will get? We will get the chromosome with capital A and small b, and small a with capital B. So you can see, if the crossing over takes place between the homologous chromosome, then that crossing over may leads to the separation of linked gene, and by this crossing over, the gametes that are produced, they have the new combination of linked gene, and these new combination of the linked gene, capital A small b and small a capital B, they are called recombination. That means the crossing over may leads to the recombination of the linked gene. The old combinations, capital A, capital B, small a, small b, and due to crossing over, the linked gene recombine. That means new combination appears, that is capital A, small b and small a, capital B. तो अब तक हमने जितना पढ़ लिया उसको एक बार रिकैपिचुलेट कर लेते हैं. The many genes are present in all organism, and the number of chromosomes are very few in comparison to the number of gene, and that is why we can say many genes are present on one chromosomes, and these genes that are present on one chromosomes, they are known as linked genes. And because they are present on one chromosome, so wherever this chromosome goes, these genes are also goes at that gamete, on that gamete, in the same combination. That means the linked gene have the tendency to be inherited in the same combination, and this tendency of the linked gene is called the linkage. इनकी इसी tendency को हम linkage कहते हैं. For example, there are two genes. One gene has the allele capital A small a, and another gene has the allele capital B small b, and an organism is having the genotype capital A small a, capital B small b for these two genes. If these genes are linked, so they are present on the same chromosome. So here you can see capital A and capital B are present on one chromosome, and small b are present. That means gene A and gene B are present on the same chromosome. So अगर organism का genotype capital A small a और capital B small b है, तो उसके chromosome के ऊपर इस तरह से linked gene present होंगी, और जहाँ पे भी ये chromosome जाएंगे, capital A capital B के साथ जाएगा और small b के साथ जाएगा. That means you can see the linked gene are inheriting in the same combination, capital A with capital B and small a with small b. But there is a process that may leads to the separation of linked gene, that is called crossing over. At the time of gametogenesis, if the homologous chromosomes undergoes crossing over, so that may leads to the new combination of the linked genes. You can see the new combination of linked genes are appeared here, capital A small b and small a capital B. Now the next concept is of linked character. For suppose in the case of Drosophila, on X chromosome, the gene for body color, the gene for eye color, and gene for wing shape, they are present on X chromosome. So these three genes are present on one chromosomes. So these three genes are the linked gene, and the character coded by these genes, that is the eye color, body color and wing shape, these three characters may be regarded as the linked character. The next concept is of linkage group. On a chromosome, many genes are present, and these genes are forming a group. Here you can see a group of gene A, B, C, D. So this group is a group of linked gene, and all genes that are present on one chromosome, they forms a group of gene, and that group will be regarded as linked group or linkage group. So the group of linked genes on a chromosome forms the linkage group. The number of the number of linkage group in an organism will be equal to the number of haploid chromosomes of that organism. Let's understand with the help of an example. In the case of Drosophila, the diploid genetic content is having the 4 pair of chromosomes, and in Drosophila, in male and female, the sex chromosomes are different. So for suppose in the case of female, the sex chromosomes are X and X, and in the case of male, the chromosomes are X and Y. So in the nucleus of a diploid cell of female Drosophila, the chromosomes will be present like chromosome number 1, 2, 3 and 1 X chromosome is there, and chromosome number 1 की भी एक कॉपी होगी, दिस फॉर्म्स अ 1 homologous pair, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 2 की दूसरी कॉपी, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 3 की दूसरी कॉपी और एक और एक्स क्रोमोसोम. तो अगर आप देखो जो जीन्स इस क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर प्रेजेंट होगी वही तो इसके ऊपर भी प्रेजेंट होगी. दैट मीन्स दीज 2 क्रोमोसोम हैव द सेम लिंकेज ग्रुप. तो कितने टाइप के लिंकेज ग्रुप हो रहे हैं, तो आप देखो 1, 2, 3, 4. सो इन द फीमेल ड्रोसोफिला 4 linkage groups are there. But in the case of male, if you observe in the cells of a diploid male, the chromosome number 1 is there, chromosome number 2 is there, chromosome number 3 is there, and a X chromosome is there in one set. In another set of chromosome number 1, chromosome number 2, chromosome number 3, and a Y chromosome is there. So the linkage group of these 2 chromosomes and these 2 and these 2 will be same. So these three pair of chromosomes have the 3 linkage group, but the linkage group of X chromosome and linkage group of Y chromosome will be different because they are non-homologous chromosome. So कितने टाइप के linkage group हो गए, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in male 5 linkage groups are there in Drosophila, but in the female only 2 linkage groups are there. So this is the concept of linkage group. Now let's discuss from where the concept of linkage originate. There was a scientist named was Thomas Hunt Morgan. He works on fruit fly. Fruit fly is an insect and the scientific name is Drosophila melanogaster. So he works on the Drosophila melanogaster, and by working on Drosophila melanogaster, Morgan proposed the 2 concepts. One is of sex-linked inheritance. We will discuss sex-linked inheritance later in this chapter. And then one concept of linkage. So on working on Drosophila, the T.H. Morgan proposed the 2 concepts, sex-linked inheritance and linkage. By working on Drosophila, that means he select the Drosophila as his test animal, he gets some of the advantages. The first advantage that he get, this Drosophila is easy to cultivate. That means it can be easily rear on synthetic food. So by selecting the Drosophila as its test organism, the Morgan gets some of the advantages. The first advantage, Drosophila can be easily rear on synthetic food like fruit juice. Fruit fly है, fruit juice के ऊपर इसको आसानी से पाला जा सकता है. It has very short life span. Within 2 weeks अपनी life cycle को complete कर लेती. That means it was possible for Morgan to study several generation. Many offspring for one mating. एक mating से कई सारे eggs produce होते हैं, कई सारे offspring produce होते हैं. That means possibility of appearance of characters full था वहाँ पे. And इतने बड़ा data size मिलता था कि उसके ऊपर statistical tools को आसानी से एप्लीकेट करा जा सकता था. There is sexual dimorphism in Drosophila. If there is in a species then where you can easily discriminate between the male and female by the external appearance, that is called sexual dimorphism. In Drosophila, the males are smaller in size and females are larger in size, so you can easily identify the male and female. And the last is discrete characters are there in Drosophila. The eye color, whether they are red or white, the body color, whether it is brown or yellow, the wing shape, whether it is long or vestigial. That means easily discrete characters are there, and those characters can be easily visible under low power microscope. बहुत अच्छे माइक्रोस्कोप की जरूरत नहीं थी, छोटे से माइक्रोस्कोप से भी आसानी से इन कैरेक्टर के डिस्टिंक्शन को देखा जा सकता था. So T.H. Morgan works on this Drosophila and gave the concept of sex-linked inheritance and linkage. What he do the dihybrid cross. What kind of cross he performed? Dihybrid cross, the cross between the 2 parents that differs in 2 character. So he carried out a dihybrid cross between a female Drosophila and a male Drosophila. The female Drosophila have the yellow body and white eye, and male Drosophila had the brown body and red eye. That means the parents are differing in 2 characters. That means it is a dihybrid cross. By crossing a female and a male Drosophila with such character, he get all brown body and red eye females and yellow body white eye males. And when he intercross these F1 hybrids with each other, so the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation, when the Mendel did the dihybrid cross in F2 generation, he observed the 9:3:3:1 ratio in the phenotypic class. But when Morgan did the dihybrid cross in the Drosophila, he found that the F2 ratio of 9:3:1 got deviated. He didn't get this ratio into F2 generation. He said that the genes for the body color and eye color in Drosophila are located on X chromosomes, and because these genes are present on X chromosomes, that is why they do not segregate independently, and that is why this ratio 9:3:1 is not observed in F2 generation. How this cross occurs and how this cross works, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the video.